Market daily visualization for June 23rd, 2026. Let's start with adjusting the daily price range, adjusting the high of the day, the low of the day. The tech really punished the market today and closed poorly inside the range. Adjusting the 5-day look back, the 5-day low, adjusting the 30-period SMA, which just rolled over negative. That's a shift in the mood of the market for sure. Significant. 10-day look back. 30-day look back. 150-day look back. Reference line for today's price. $20-period regression line. Lag by 10, the 10-period regression line. 120-day regression line lagged by 30 days. That's dangerous right there. That's a sign of a genuine top having been put in place. So this was the swing high, initial sell-off, a recovery. This was the news of the war ending, fake news, and then the collapse. And now we're back down in here. That's real weakness. The P-STAR is adjusted. There we go. So those are our stops. Tomorrow is going to be lively, that's for sure. Tech will be moving. A 23% sell-off in the triple leverage semis is going to be attracting a lot of attention. It's up in the post market. So we'll see if that carries over as a buy on dip opportunity or if this is genuine.